about to pull up or dump out the potatoes. I think it's been over 80 weeks, but not quite 100. I think we're in 90 weeks, somewhere in there. And I think usually potatoes need about 100 weeks to reach maturity. But these plants aren't looking too good. Some of them have flowered. So the ones that are still green and standing up, I'm going to leave for a few more weeks. But the other ones, I think we're going to go ahead and dump and see what's inside today. We got Mr. Dependability out here helping out. Yeah, just take it and just dump it, I guess. We'll see. Gently. Gently. He just picked it up and just dumped it out like, get out of there, trash. Alright, and so now you break it apart. Like, take both hands. Thank you, Nate. You don't have to. Some people cut them down first. And you're searching for potatoes. And handle them gently because the skins are very tender. So it looks like they could have used more time. And I don't remember exactly everything I planted, but I will link it. I mean, I'll write it down somewhere. But some of the potatoes I got offline. And then some of them, I just saw them in Walmart and just grabbed them. But these look like they might be ones that I got from offline. Like that I ordered from the seed company. So just put them in the box, but don't toss them. The skins are very soft and will tear. But that's not terrible. I planted about, in each of the buckets, about 5 seed potatoes. As I got towards the end, some of them, I think I ran out. So one of them maybe only had like 3 potatoes. This may have been one because it only looks like it's 3 plants in it. But so, and you want to check and make sure you're not about to plant the seed potato. I don't know. That looks like it could be a seed potato. It already has eyes on it. Yeah. But it's look interesting. Like it still could have looked like it would have produced more. Yeah. I don't know. I think these are still sort of considered young, but the plants were dying, so I didn't know. But to be honest, like I've seen other people do theirs, and their potatoes look like this too. And they said they're from their experience, the potatoes in containers are smaller than the ones that come from in the ground. Yeah, and I can cook with anything, so we're gonna make it work.
These are those little potatoes that you see.
That they sell.
Right.
I think. A little teeny one. And I think they call these. Do they call them young potatoes? No, not those. I think those might be too little. Those might be.
They look like potatoes to me. I don't care what size they are. Like we didn't grow russets. Like they're not big, big boys.
I don't know how big they're supposed to be. I'm not mad at it. That's a good size, huh?
Yeah.
I like a seed potato.
Oh, the seed potato still stays in there.
That was a seed potato.
Oh, okay. So, got you.
That was the one I planted.
Got you. That's the one that you put in there. And it doesn't rot away. It just sprouts.
Or rot. This is like soft and mushy. I can't tell what that is. It's kind of of mushy.
That looks like a seed potato.
Yeah, see? How it has the eyes on
Yeah.
it. So I think this is what it's... But it
Yeah.
still grew because it wasn't that big when I put it in there.
Mm-hmm.
And purple. And then everything else, I think, were like Kennebec and Yukon Gold. I'll find out which one. I didn't label anything, so I figured potatoes even yellow or red.
Yeah.
This one didn't have many in it.
Just make sure you check through it, because when we dumped that last one, it was still a couple in there.
We did a pretty good job checking. And it didn't really look like it was going to grow. I mean, maybe those little ones would have gotten bigger.